I'm gonna step back just slightly. This is not quite a year ago that we started this, but we actually started doing our Endure window, which is what we've been looking at, but actually with a black paint in and out. What's really made this state of the art is the fact that, for example, most companies, including our white window, has a standard weld. So you see a bit like a scar, let's say a lot of welds look. And then when you look at the fine line weld, it's a very, very clean weld. The second thing that we're doing is our tilt latches are built into the actual sash, which is very, very unique. Another thing we're doing is that our original spacer is gray. On the black window, it's actually been sourced to black. The weather stripping is black. Even if, we understand that sometimes a nick or something can happen, even if this was to get nicked or something, instead of a bright white window, we're actually painting a sandstone window. So in turn, there are just many different technologies or different things that we're doing to this window, but probably one of the nicest is when you take the window and you open it, the inside, the sill, the jam liner, all of those different things are also black, which is very, very nice and very aesthetically appealing.